So we got up at 5:15 because we had to leave by 5:45. Our plan was to get to Boulder City and have breakfast at the Railroad Pass Casino because they had that $5.99 jackpot special. I was going to get 2 of those before we go kayak 12 miles down the Colorado River. But anyway, we didn't get out of here till 6, and we were due to be checked in by 7:15, so we went straight to the Hoover Dam lodge.
So we're starting to see the Michael O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bypass Bridge. This is the second tallest bridge in the country, just behind the Royal Gorge in Colorado. So that one stands about 1,000 feet over the river. This one's almost 900 feet over the river.
So we loaded up in the van with the kayaks, and we got security checked, and we went down to the put-in spot right at the base of the Hoover Dam. That was pretty cool. Had a porta potty down there, so we all used that, and then we got our boats in the water, and they're like, "You got to get past those buoys before we can get out of here, so hurry up."
See a billy goat. I want to see one. Maybe when it gets a little warmer.
Before we put the boats in, we just got going, focused on SAUNA CAVE. So we went to the SAUNA CAVE. Went to the island, and I walked around looking for it, and I finally found it. These rocks are beautiful, though. Pretty. We were the first people there, so we climbed up in there and we started walking in. I started going.
Morning.
Oh, somebody camped out up here.
Look, there it is.
That's it.
Did you hear it?
That's the SAUNA CAVE. All right, I'm going in.
Do not allow the water to enter your nose.
It's pretty slick.
What?
Pretty slick. Careful, wet feet. Oh yeah, this is cool. Oh, it's not too hot. Say what?
The chute.
Say what, Tanejo?
Don't let it go in your nostrils.
All right, let's go be adventurous. Who wants to adventure? Who wants to go for an adventure? Oh, it's steamy in here. Oh. Hold on. This is creepy. It's like a hot, stinky sewer line.
Yeah.
You coming?
Look, I'm it's dark. I'm scared.
All right, come on. I got a light for you.
Look, honey, come on now.
Sorry.
Shush. Oh, it's hot. I feel like I'm in a steamy turd.
It is, isn't it? Pretty fun though, huh?
It's crazy. I left my britches over there. I hope they
All right, well, here, I'm going all the way back now because,
honey,
oh, it's hot. It's like a sauna. See where it kind of seeps out. Look, oh, it's mineralization.
that's pretty.
That's cool.
Ooh, look at that.
Hey, be quiet. You can hear it. Listen. It's all just seeping out. It's so cool.
Oh, look at that wall
Oh, wow.
in front of you.
What?
Isn't that gorgeous? It looks like crystals.
Wow.
Oh. Quit, get big ape, get out of the way.
Come over here and look.
Wow. It looks like a turd.
Look at all that. Pretty neat.
Oh, I'm touching it.
All right, you done?
Oh, I can't see.
Oh, look, there's the water coming out right there.
I see the Oh,
All right. It's hot, steamy turd in here. Let's go. All
go first, I can't see.
right, here we go, first.
Let's see.
Just be careful.
I saw the light on that test.
Oh, it feels good right here. Ooh. Okay, see the crack over here? The big opening right there? That's Gold Strike. That person standing on the rock?
Yeah.
That's where we want to go.
Really? Already?
Yeah.
I just got in.